Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and Happy New Year. Today I will be boxing my first model of 2021. It's a much anticipated Qantaslink Q200, a Shake 200 by Gemini jets. It's released in 2020 November release, so it's pretty new still. Without further ado, let's get stuck into this bad boy. I've been asking for this model for a while, so it's great that it's finally been released. But I'm aware of its shortcomings, so bit of a tricky one to open. I believe having this will bring my Qantas fleet to around 40-50 aircraft. And here we are. It's kind of the old school white box, because they use the same white box for all Qantas releases for some reason. All the usual jazz there. Information on the aircraft type. There she is. Looks all intact, which is a good start. Back in the daylight, guys, I just have to wait till daylight to review it due to the fact it was too dark and you couldn't see much. But here we have the beautiful model here. It's quite nice. And here we go, I'll review it for you. So here we have the nose cone's quite good actually. The mold's really nice. Done a really good job of that. Cockpit windows, cockpit windshield wiper, fuselage, R1 door, propellers, nice spinning propellers. I believe they're Pratt & Whitney 123 engines or something. Yeah, Pratt & Whitney 123, I believe. Leading edge of the wings. Rings are really nice too. Got I believe they're anti-ice. Those black things for anti-ice there to help reduce the build-up of ice. They move around, I believe, in flight. Then we have the exhaust side of the engines, the back of the engines. The kangaroo at the back. Aussie flag there. The Rego Victor Hotel Tango Kilo Tango Quebec X-Ray. They're pretty old, these aircraft. The main reason Qantaslink still have them is just to fly to Lord Howe Island and back, because they can safely land at Lord Howe Island. It's a pretty short runway, so yeah, so that's one of the main reasons they still have them. They would have retired them a while ago if they didn't have to fly to Lord Howe Island. But yeah, we have the tail, horizontal stabilizer. As you can see, the model has it sits quite upwards, right in the upwards attitude on the ground, rather than like parallel to the ground and neutral. So it's quite hard to notice from the top, which is a good thing, because that's generally where you're going to be displaying your model. Is you're going to be looking at it from the top, so you can't really notice it that well. And the tyres are pretty small, as you can see. The main gear tyres are far too small. They should be around twice the size of that, so yeah, it's quite small, as you can see. There's my finger. It's cute. It's quite cute, really. But really glad to finally get a Qantaslink Q200. Despite its flaws, it's quite nice, and you should definitely get it if you're an avid Qantas guy, so a Qantas person. It's quite impressive if you put it up next to like a 747, the size difference. So. I'll attach some photos later at the end of the video for you to see the size difference comparison. So guess I'll conclude it there, guys. I'll definitely get this model if you're interested in Qantas, and getting as many fleet aircraft types as possible that they've flown or they're gonna fly. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll probably give this model probably 7.5 out of 10 probably. So I just noticed as well that there's a bit of paint missing on top of the Q, but it's pretty hard to notice. Yeah, so it's pretty hard to notice anyway, so not really worth making a fuss out of it.